होता है कि आप वो पिक्चर के अंदर ही हैं.
बोलने को 65 है पर है about 85-90.
That's true. So it looks, this TV
immersive, and it's actually addictive, and Philips is the only brand that makes this. So I'm definitely going to keep it.
So my problem is different. My problem is that I have only one of these TVs. The other room doesn't have this one. Now nobody is watching that TV at home. So it's not like when I'm watching an NBA match, somebody wants to watch, they also come on this TV. अंदर जाओ ना तुम्हारे लिए TV लगा है. So that's the problem. So I think everybody in the house now wants this TV, which is the problem, because it's so nice, because it really the experience of viewing a match or playing a game, everything becomes amazing. So मेरा ये झंझट है, तुम्हारे पास तो फिर भी दो है. तुम्हारे पास दो है, मेरे पास एक ही है.
आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा है सर?
बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है. जो स्पेशल जो फीचर है इसका ना, एम्बिलाइट फीचर, इट्स लाइक यू नो सराउंड साउंड, हम सबको मालूम है, दिस इज लाइक सराउंड कलर. तो जो कंटेंट है टीवी का, इट्स नॉट कन्फाइंड टू द बाउंड्रीज ऑफ द टीवी. इट स्पिल्स ऑन टू द वॉल्स, ऑन द सीलिंग, एंड गिव्स यू दैट इमर्सिव एक्सपीरियंस, जैसे आपको ऐसे फील होता है कि आप वो पिक्चर के अंदर ही हैं.
बोलने को 65 है पर है about 85-90.
That's true. So it looks, the TV screen looks even larger than it is. I think it's fantastic. It's beautiful, and it really adds a lot to the decor and the atmosphere of the house.
Right. Also, a reaction from the three of you all, I'd request individually. The state court has recently passed a judgment saying that with the beef ban, there's also going to be a meat ban in the state.
What ban?
Meat
No,
ban.
they were
You're
saying,
kidding.
You're being sensationalist. That's not true. They said they were considering perhaps including goats, but perhaps not. They do not want it to be a vegetarian state at all. Of course, I certainly believe that the state should not control what we eat and what we don't eat, but that's my personal take on things.
Same here. A lot of people have preferences, or we talk about sports in one breath, and in the other, if you stop, there are a lot of kids, a lot of athletes who are not vegetarians depend on this kind of food to represent our country, to become better sportsmen. It's part of nutrition. It's not a fad to eat a certain kind of meat, it's not a fad. It's part of their diets. It was. Suddenly you're taking it away. Now so they have to fend for themselves. They have to look at tofu and paneer. So for me, definitely it'll be sad.
Kunal, something from your end.
It's the same thing. I mean, like he said, it's not that you were born into a family, and if the family has a diet, and meat and poultry is a part of that, then as a kid you get used to eating that. When you become old enough, then it's your choice. If you really don't want to eat it, you don't eat it. But like he said, some people, I mean, if you cannot afford the other, like he said, the tofu replacement for protein, and you're training to be an athlete or a bodybuilder, for example, then those people go and do those drugs which are really bad for them. So I think it's a personal choice, and you cannot enforce that choice onto somebody.
I think if you want to advocate vegetarianism, or if you're concerned about animal slaughter or the welfare of animals, the idea is to educate people and let them make their own informed choices. You can't impose a ban.
Talk about that. Talk about, okay, what are the benefits of being a vegetarian? A vegetarian, you can't start banning stuff, because I can't understand that we are not the safest country in the world. We are not a developed country. There are so many other things that you should be looking at. Make this the safest state in the country. Why are you banning meat? So I think the focus is at different things, and this is not even making sense. It doesn't make a person a better person by not eating meat. Is that true? It's not. So I just think if that happens, it'll be very sad.